How are you all? Thanks for coming back to the show. Have a nice Friday. It would have been the best Friday in the world if it had been Payday Friday. But everyone should take a break and get a coffee like I did. Listen up, because what I'm about to show you is the most important change in crypto in years. Don't pay attention to what the news says. Put aside what's going on now. Don't think about the bad things. Don't worry about the red candles you're seeing. What's really happening is that big money is coming in. The government is making plans for digital assets, and XRP is right in the middle of it all. The head of 𝗙𝗵𝗃, a club for billionaires, said on live TV that crypto is being bought by the very rich. You got new ETFs that let US buyers buy XRP and Solana. And Ripple is at the center of a brand new US-UK task group that is planning the future of money. This is no longer just a guess. Please accept this as proof. The gates are opening for the flood. The next 6 to 12 months could be the biggest wealth transfer of our lives. You'll understand why by the end of this movie. Put the noise aside. Throw out the FUD. Don't worry about the red. Don't listen to people who say the bull run is over. It's still going on. I have the chart to back it up. Let's get right into a Bitcoin $18.96. It's down 2.53% right now. Ethereum is worth $3,891. It's lost 3.27%. At $2.72, XRP moves back into fourth place. It's gone down 3.74%. At a 32, fear and greed. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $3.73 trillion. Yes, I can see everyone. Yes, I did tweet about this yesterday in case you missed it. All the bad feelings in the world are being sent to your Twitter account by Twitter system. Throw them out. We have already talked about where the markets are going on Twitter. Find out more about it. My Patreon group is no longer active. Sign up if you're not already a member. Today I'm putting out another update. There's been no change. But before we talk about any of that, I want to give you a chance to skip years of bad crypto because the one-on-one calls are back, and I think the earliest meeting we could get is next week. The goal of this 60-minute lesson is to build your portfolio. We are going to go over your present positions in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. We are going to make a plan for both entering and leaving the market, and we are going to make sure that it works in the long run. I will show you advanced ways to diversify your investments and give you models that I don't share anywhere else. What do you know? I'll make you feel calm so you can know what to expect next and be ready for it. You'll think, I saw this coming. RIP did it again. At the end, you'll feel safe in any market situation. The link is down below. Go ahead and click it to schedule your call right now. We now have this one. What the very rich are doing to cash. What do you know? It's great to be in markets before the very rich get there. Also, guess what? We came here before the very rich, and now they're starting to come in. Bitcoin has been around for a while now, and I see it every 3 months. A little more Bitcoin, a little more Bitcoin. I think it's finally reached the point where we have to own it. Yes. It's still only a tenth the size of gold's market, but members still think of both as safe investments. Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative idea. It's now being talked about as a real asset that can be kept during hard times. There are people who do believe in it, but not everyone does. Okay, for those of you who don't know, 𝗙𝗵𝗃 is a secret network where very wealthy people and billionaires talk about how to keep and grow their money. There aren't any traders after pump and dumps here. They are in charge of money that will last for generations. And the founder was just on CNBC, where he pretty much told everyone that only the richest people are buying Bitcoin. That means that a $200 billion network of people who can access private deals, early IPO allocations, and study that is good enough for institutions are now putting money into Bitcoin. What's the next thing after that? Interested in all things crypto. Why does it matter? It's easy. It's not like the very wealthy just buy a few million and call it a day. They set up options that are meant to handle changes in the trillion-dollar market. Bitcoin isn't just digital gold either. It is the gateway drug into the whole crypto asset class. This means that when people buy it, money will finally flow out of it and into XRP and other real-world cryptos. The Instagram page is now live. Go follow Instagram if you're not already. Sneeze. Please excuse me. I will put a link to Instagram below. You also find out some special things about that. Quickly, let's talk about XRP since everyone is going crazy. The chart is put out by Gordon. He says, look, it doesn't take a genius to see what happens next for XRP. He's right, it's getting better. This is what I want you to understand. If every ETF gets accepted, you don't get any number between 1 and 19. ETFs are not being launched on a commodity, a spot ETF. The other ones don't matter to us. The spots are important to us because the spot ETFs need to hold the XRP. They need to get it, buy it, and keep it. You can't tell me that the price is going down when all of these ETFs are set to start in October. That's not how it works. It's just basic science. The price is equal to the sum of supply and demand. So as these businesses buy XRP, the amount you can get decreases. After a while, less of something is available, which causes the price to rise. Here is your XRP chart. Yes, it is a bit of a breakdown, as you can see. But there's no need to worry about this. There is help sitting anywhere from 259 to 270. After that, we have 224 to 235. We got help when we were sitting at 2 to 208. What does this mean? It's easy. Not a single person is sure of what will happen. Will XRP fall back to $2? So let's say Bitcoin wants to go back down and close that CME gap between 90 and 94,000. The most likely place for XRP to land is between 2 and 250. Let's take away the support and resistance for a moment, though, since that's a very basic part of TA. I'd like to take a look at this for you. It's easy to see where we are going. This green line could be seen running down the middle of your screen. We're still above it, so we're still bullish. We break under it, we get gloomy. But how far does this thing actually surrender down to the downside? You start right here. This huge green tidal wave is where you can turn things around. Where is your switch sitting? Between 246 and about $1.98. It's worth $2. Let's say this number is between 2 and 248. That being said, there could be a drop from 271 to around $2. Does that mean it's over? Is that the end of the world? No way, folks, not even close. At the moment, we are seeing a short-term bearish correction with pressure to sell. People are making money, they're scared. Not a problem. We're still bullish on the long term. And if 270 stays in the band we're in now, we can expect prices to go up. This is where the bigger positive trend will start again if it fails. Get ready for 2 to 220. For you, those are the possibilities. It will be a lot higher when you come back in a month if you take a break. We are